Since the dawn of time, Earth has been our sanctuary, our home. From microscopic bacteria to magnificent whales, from ancient civilizations to modern skyscrapers, life has flourished. But in the vast and violent universe we inhabit, nothing lasts forever. What if everything, our cultures, our species, even the very air we breathe, could be wiped out in the blink of an eye? Today we explore 6 real, terrifying, and entirely natural threats that could one day end all life on Earth. Beneath the beauty of Yellowstone lies a sleeping giant, a supervolcano. Unlike typical volcanoes, supervolcanoes are capable of eruptions thousands of times more powerful. If Yellowstone were to erupt, it could eject more than 1,000 cubic kilometers of ash and debris into the atmosphere, covering entire continents in volcanic dust and reducing global temperatures by several degrees. This isn't science fiction, it's geological reality. A volcanic winter could last for years. Crops would fail globally, supply chains would collapse, famine, disease, and social breakdown would follow. Millions, possibly billions, would die. And the survivors? They'd face a new dark age. On a quiet night 66 million years ago, a 10-kilometer asteroid slammed into what is now the Yucatan Peninsula. The impact vaporized everything in its path and triggered a chain reaction that led to the extinction of the dinosaurs. The skies darkened, acid rain fell, temperatures dropped. Nearly 75% of all life vanished, and the terrifying truth? It could happen again. Even a smaller asteroid, just 1 kilometer wide, could unleash devastation on a continental scale. And if a larger one were to strike, the outcome could be apocalyptic. The sun, our life-giving star, is not as calm as it seems. Periodically, it unleashes immense bursts of energy, solar flares and coronal mass ejections that travel through space at incredible speeds. In 1859, a powerful solar storm known as the Carrington event struck Earth, causing telegraph wires to catch fire and auroras visible as far south as the Caribbean. But today, the stakes are much higher. Our modern world is entirely dependent on electricity and satellites. A massive solar storm could knock out power for months, crippling transportation, banking, water systems, and even basic healthcare. The chaos that follows could be worse than the storm itself. Far beyond our solar system, in the darkest corners of the universe, stars live and stars die. And sometimes their deaths send out invisible death rays traveling at the speed of light. Gamma-ray bursts, among the most powerful explosions known, could release more energy in seconds than the sun will in its entire lifetime. If one were aimed directly at Earth from even thousands of light years away, it could obliterate the ozone layer in an instant. Within moments, the Earth would be bombarded with lethal radiation, plants would die, oceans would be sterilized, and life as we know it would simply stop. Climate change isn't coming, it's already here. And while it may seem slow, it's one of the most dangerous threats facing our planet. Melting polar ice releases methane, a greenhouse gas over 25 times more potent than carbon dioxide. As temperatures rise, natural feedback loops could spiral out of control, turning Earth into a hostile, overheated wasteland. Mass extinctions, global famine, coastal cities submerged. The planet doesn't need to explode to become uninhabitable. It just needs to get too hot for us to survive. Now imagine the opposite. Instead of global heat, Earth is plunged into freezing cold. This is not fantasy. It's happened before, and it could happen again. Even small changes in the Earth's orbit, or a series of major volcanic eruptions, could trigger a new ice age. Glaciers would expand, growing seasons would shrink, billions could starve. It may sound like science fiction, but it's part of our geological past, and perhaps our future. Our planet is a miracle, a fragile blue oasis in an infinite cosmic desert, but its safety is not guaranteed. Nature, as powerful as it is beautiful, holds the keys to both creation and destruction. We can't predict the future, but we can prepare, because survival depends not just on strength, but on knowledge. Did this video open your eyes to the hidden dangers around us? Like and share to spread awareness. Comment below. Which natural threat do you fear the most? Subscribe to Universal TV and hit the bell icon for more mysterious, scientific, and eye-opening stories.